What's up, guys? Welcome back to Counter Steer Garage. Today we're going for FTD. No bullshit, that's what we're doing. I got my slicks on here. They're Pirellis, so maybe they're not so great for autocross, but we're gonna find out. I've already swapped them over. Got the street tires there. Now we're gonna go to tech. Good morning! And yes, I'm wearing my newest flip shift shirt with fastest lap graphics because I'm gonna put down the fastest lap. I just know it, I feel it, I got it.
While we're on questions, does everybody know about the slot?
I'm first to drive, so we gotta set up cameras and stuff, and then we're going. Whew. Let's see how these slicks do. What's happening?
Nice car.
Thank you. I think I stayed on course.
Yeah. Okay.
It's a little slippery.
Yeah. All right. Well, whenever you're ready, go ahead. How'd you do?
A 46.1, I think,
Okay.
something like that.
All right. Good. All right. Whenever you're ready. 45.
A 45, but I gave you a 44.9. I hope that's okay.
Nice. Fucking awesome.
He's fast.
Yeah, he's fast.
It must be the car number.
I mean, he's like a veteran instructor for the track. He's a good driver.
Nice. I didn't walk it. So the first few I was trying to figure out where to go. Whew. Okay, so the Pirelli slicks seem to be working. 8/10s ahead of the field right now, and I had one tire that was super low because I never checked it beforehand. So the Pirelli slicks are so far doing their job. Didn't expect them to be this fast, but yeah, I think we're well on our way to to kicking some ass here. So it's the changeover now. I'm heading out to my work assignment, and then we'll see if we can do this again in the afternoon. All right, so the other crew just went, and I got pipped for first place by 1/10, but I think that we can do it. It's a lot warmer now. I understand the tires a little bit better. I got the tire pressure squared away because one of them was at 21 PSI. It's a good start. Oh, we're gonna get them. On top, but nice. By like a couple of hundredths.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Sweet.
I need to find like 2 or 3 tenths just to be safe.
Okay, sounds good. All right, we'll go get him. My afternoon heat is done. Still in the lead, or back in the lead I should say. And now we wait to see if anybody else can go faster. This guy with the GT3 ended up going 2 tenths faster than me, but he coned it. So I'm still in the lead, and we'll see what happens after everybody lands. I'll check in after this heat, and hopefully I'm happy. Hopefully my fastest lap shirt brought me some good luck. I guess we'll see. Afternoon heats are down, and he got me. 0.023 seconds. 23,000th of a second. He got me by. I mean, I can't be super mad. It was a GT3 on Hoosiers, but kind of mad. I'm gonna lose sleep about that. Well, we'll try again next time, so hit subscribe and hit like if you'd like to see my misery, and I'll see you next Taco Tuesday.